Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to remove KineMaster Watermark. Here are the steps to remove KineMaster Watermark. But please note, you need to create video, at the same time adjust the background. In that method, you can crop your video to avoid watermark. Number 1, at KineMaster application, click Create New. Number 2, click Next. Number 3, press Media. Number 4, at the side of the screen, click Photo. Number 5, click Images. Number 6, select any background color. Note, you need to select another background to put over the first background. This will serve as a guide to crop your video in removing the watermark. Number 7, select Layer and then select Media. Number 8, choose any second background you want. Number 9, adjust the second background. Make sure you will not include the watermark in it. Number 10, to add text, just click Layer and then click Text. Number 11, type any text you want to put on your video. Number 12, choose font style, font size, font color, and adjust the text. Number 13, don't forget to save it. Press the icon on the upper corner of the screen to save it. Number 15, slide the blue line to the end and press Export and then press Skip. Number 16, go to Capcut or other video application to crop your video. 17, press New Project. Number 18, choose the video you want to crop. Number 19, click Add. Number 20, adjust the video to crop it and make sure you will not include the watermark. Number 21, now this is the final video. As you can see, no more watermark. Number 22, the last one, save your video. So that is how to remove watermark from KineMaster. I hope you understand the instruction. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?